So again in the situation, close guard. France is trying again to place a cross choke. Red is defending. Red is now trying to get arm lock, and now there it was successful. Nice straight arm lock, explosive, and world champion in this category comes from Canada. Congratulations. And if you look at the results, so we have a lot of high-level fighters coming from all continents, from all over the world. If you look at the women fights, we have United Arab Emirates, we have Canada, we have Cyprus. So 3 different countries, 3 different continents. And this is, you see, this sport is done all over the world. And all over the world we have a high quality, and that's why our sport is also placed at the